Hello and welcome to Wheelchair Vans Inc. Today I'll be going over a 2022 Toyota Sienna XLE equipped with the VMI Northstar Infloor ramp. To operate the ramp, you'll use your key fob to hit the sliding door button here. This is going to open the door, deploy out the ramp, and it will also lower the vehicle. Let's go ahead and check out the setup. So this is going to be the Infloor ramp, and the width on this ramp is going to be 30 inches. Entrance height from the floor to the top of the door is going to be 56 inches. In the middle, you will have the wheelchair user. Going on to the back, you will have a bench seat that will fit 3 people. And in the front, you will have driver and passenger front removable seats. And this van here only has 37,000 miles. To bring the ramp back in, you'll use your key fob once again to hit the same sliding door button like this. This is going to bring in the ramp, close the door, and raise the van back up. Let's go ahead and check out the rear hatch. This one's going to have the automatic liftgate. It will also have a backup camera, and you will have a little bit of room for some storage. And as you guys can see, this one's going to come with a set of retractable straps. We also offer financing on all types of credit. We can do personal or business loans. On top of that, we do have a promotion for free nationwide shipping, but if you decide to pick up at our location, we can offer you $1,000 off or a free 1-year warranty. For more information, please visit our website, 949vans.com. All of our vehicles will go through a 240-point inspection where we check out the engine, transmission, brakes, and tires. We also service the fluids and of course service the wheelchair ramp. If you guys have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out to our sales team at 949-664-1146. Thank you. Go ahead and start up the van. So this van here has 37,000 miles. You'll also have lane assist and adaptive cruise control. Over here you will have a touchscreen infotainment system with a navigation. You will also have leather heated seats. And then up here you will have the moonroof. Here is the view of the back. And let's go ahead and listen to the engine.